and garlic Parmesan. With a little bit of vinegar.
Get some coconut oil. Some sea salt. Black pepper. Garlic powder. I like a lot of garlic powder.
Set your oven to bake 400 degrees. I'm gonna spread this out evenly on the pan. And you spread them out. Alright, so I said bake before, but make sure it's on roast. That way heat's coming from the top and the bottom at 400 degrees. And then pop this in there.
So we're just gonna prepare the garlic for the garlic Parmesan wings that are baking in the oven right now. And what you wanna do is you just wanna cut them really thin. Once you're done chopping, this is how fine you want the garlic to look.
Okay, you're gonna need some water, about a cup of water. Some curry. Those people that curry inside, I don't know how they do it. I need some coconut oil. You could use vegetable oil, but I'm trying to stick to keto. You use coconut oil. Your coconut oil melt down. Pour some curry in there.
So we're just starting to heat up the pot so we can make the butter and the garlic for the garlic Parmesan sauce. So I put it like around 6 so that way it can start heating up but not burn anything. So we're gonna start putting the butter in the pan. Alright, and then you go ahead and put your garlic in. It up so you can get that garlic and buttery flavor in there. What we're gonna do now is make cauliflower fried rice. I usually buy the green giant steamable, so I'm using over the same pan that I had used to make the garlic Parmesan wings. It still has the butter in it and the garlic. And then you just start to mix it until it starts getting a little bit softer. So now that we've cooked it a little bit, the rice gets a little bit softer. We're gonna go ahead and add soy sauce. It does have 1 gram of carb per tablespoon, but we go ahead and put only a little bit, just some dashes in there to give the rice color. We mix it up. Add sesame oil. This does have 0 grams of carbs and 14 grams of fat, so it is pretty keto friendly. So I like to put in because it makes it taste good. Go ahead and mix it in there. I like to pour it on my hand to make sure I don't put too much. Do a pinch, go around. So we are gonna put an egg in here for the fried rice. What I do, just move the rice to the side, crack 1 egg here on the pan, and go ahead and scramble it. And you just mix it into the rice. Go, you have some cauliflower fried rice.
Alright guys, there you have it. Get your vegetables in and chicken. I got the curry chicken wings. Gabby has the garlic Parmesan. Make sure you're getting your vegetables in. And every West Indian has to have pepper sauce. Alright guys, enjoy.